All right. So for this, we've got what is the density of carbon tetrachloride vapor at 714 torrs at 125 degrees Celsius. So I'm just going to start by organizing things. I'm going to put my pressure, 714 torrs. Temperature, 125 degrees Celsius. I almost automatically, just so I don't forget, I always change my temperature from Celsius to Kelvin, which is plus 273. So this comes out to be 398. Okay. All right. Now let's see. We're looking for density. What else do they give us? Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride is, anybody know? Good. CCl4. Okay. So we want the density, right? If we look at our, where did I put that? If we look at our notes, this idea here, density is pressure. So pressure times the molar mass over R constant times temperature, like that, right? Now, let's see what we have. We have a pressure, we have a temp. Molar mass. Yeah, good. Molar mass is 154. That's from 1 times carbon, 4 times chlorine, and adding them all together. That's the molar mass, right? Anybody remember what the label for molar mass is? Technically? Yeah, good. Grams per mole. So one thing that's important on like all of these, all the gas law equations is watch your labels. Okay. The actual math that we're doing on it, most of them is not super hard. You gotta watch your labels to make sure the correct stuff cancels out. That means that shows you got the right numbers in there. Okay. So we need an R. So if we look at our chart, the R factors. So if we look at what we've got for our labels, we got torr, Kelvin, grams and moles there. So if we look, probably the best one is this, right? The bottom, because it's got torrs in it. Kelvins, they've all got Kelvins, but it's got torrs. So I'm going to use that one. That's the 62.36. And my label is liters, torrs over moles K. All right. Everybody good so far? Okay, now with this stuff, actually, as long as we've got our labels lined up right, this becomes kind of like a plug and chug one. D equals our pressure, 714 torrs, our molar mass, 154 grams per mole, over our R factor, 62.36 liters torrs over moles K, and our temp, 398 K. So if we look, torrs cancel, moles cancel, because they're both on the bottom. Torrs cancel, moles cancel, kelvins cancel. So we do the math, and we get 4.43. And what is the label that we're left with? And good. Grams on the top, liters on the bottom, grams per liter, which makes sense, right? What is density? Density is mass over volume. So we should have a label that's a mass label over volume. Boom. works. All right.